In 1946, Ray Citte believed an RV was never just a trailer. It was a place where families grew closer, where memories took shape, and where the road ahead always held something worth discovering. He made a promise that anyone who walked into a dealership with his name on the sign would be treated like a friend and welcomed like family. 80 years later, that promise still lives in every handshake, every smile, every journey that begins in one of our RVs. Because an RV isn't just metal and wheels. It's late-night campfire stories, kids falling asleep to the sound of crickets, and the moments families carry with them forever. For 80 years, we've been honored to be part of your memories and the roads that brought you there. Ray Citte RV. Family, memories, adventure. Since 1946, and for every journey still to come.